Hi guys, welcome back to Car Motor Company. Today's new arrival is the stunning 2021 Ford Transit Custom L2 Sport. It's the massive 185 brake horsepower automatic with the full sport styling kit. How nice is this? Looking a gorgeous metallic blue. Let's have a look around inside. So this one literally has far too much to list. You've got your half leather seats, aircon, cruise control, sat nav. You've got the plough line rear for the work lads to get all your tools in. It's got your tyre pressure monitors, auto box. Lovely vehicle to drive. If you'd like any more information on this van, please contact Nick or Chris. Finance, delivery and warranty is available on this van. Thanks for watching.